All right, one more time we're going to look at graphing our quadratic in standard form. Again, standard form is when we have it organized in y equals ax squared plus bx plus c form, so that we have the quadratic, the linear term, and then the constant. So in this case, the quadratic, the linear term, and then the constant. We need to identify the a, the b, and the c values. So the a is the coefficient here, is negative 1/2. B, in this case, is negative 4, and our constant c is negative 4 also. All right, so we know the axis of symmetry is the line that passes through the vertex point, and it is found when we just find negative b, the value of negative b over 2a. So in this case, that would be negative 4 over 2 times negative 1/2. Okay, that's going to become 4 over negative 1. So 4 over negative 1 becomes negative 4. So our axis of symmetry is the line where x equals negative 4. So that would be this vertical line right here, where x equals negative 4. Next, we need to find the vertex point. We know the vertex point is on the axis of symmetry, which means that the value of the x for our vertex point is negative 4. So we're going to plug in negative 4 into our equation in order to find the y value. So y is equal to negative 1/2 negative 4 squared, negative 1/2 times negative 4 squared minus negative 4 times negative 4 minus 4. So we're going to figure all this out. Negative 4 squared is 16. 16 times negative 1/2. 16 times negative 1/2 is going to be negative 8. So that whole thing there is negative 8. And then negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16, and then we're going to subtract 4 from that. Negative 8 plus 16 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. So the y value for our vertex point is 4. All right, so the vertex is going to be at negative 4, 4, right there. Okay, the y-intercept we know is where x is equal to 0. We're going to plug 0 into our equation and find the y value. So that's y is equal to negative 1/2 times 0 squared minus 4 times 0 minus 4. All of this right here is zeroed out, so really it's just going to be a y value of negative 4. So our y-intercept point is at the point 0, negative 4, which isn't on my graph. So I'm just going to say, you know what, I'm going to put it right here and say, you know what, I'm going to label it as 0, negative 4. That's it right there. The reflection of that is the same distance away from the axis of symmetry, but on the other side. This is 4 units away, so I need to go 4 units out to the other side. It's going to have the same y value. That'll be negative 8, negative 4 for my reflection point. So it'll go like this. So that's going to be negative 8, negative 4. Now, if you're going off of the graph, that's fine. Just make sure you're labeling those points. Label the coordinates of those points so we know what we're talking about there, so that you're clearly communicating where those points are supposed to be.